Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to trigger a Lambda function on uploading some file in a S3 bucket. So let's get started. So first create an S3 bucket. I already have this S3 bucket created. So let us create a Lambda function now. Our goal is to trigger this Lambda function on putting the file on S3 bucket. Execution role. So this Lambda function needs permission to access the S3 bucket. So we will create a new IAM role. We can create the IAM role from AWS templates. So let us name this Lambda trigger S3. And AWS already provides these templates for IAM roles, policy template. So there is a policy template for Amazon S3 object read only permissions. So we can use this template. So the new role by this name will be created. Click on create function. It takes a while to create the function in this new role. So our Lambda function is created. Now we want to trigger this Lambda function from S3 bucket. So now switch over to our S3 bucket. Select this bucket and then we will go to the properties. We have different properties that we can set for this bucket. So for this demo we need to go to this event notifications. I had already created a notification earlier, so let me delete this. We'll create a new notification. Let us name this trigger Lambda function. You can also set some prefixes here. Suppose you want to trigger the Lambda function only on some bucket object, or based on some file prefix you want to trigger the Lambda function. So leave these for now. And we want to trigger the Lambda on object creation. So we'll select put. And our destination will be Lambda function. So choose from your Lambda functions the function that we have created. Save the changes. Now we have created the event. So let us see in properties. We can see a new event has been created in this S3 bucket. Let us go into the Lambda function. Print event. Deploy this. Now let us upload a file into this S3 bucket. I'm creating a new file. Now upload this file. Upload. So the file is uploaded. The Lambda function must be triggered. So let us go to this monitor section. In monitor we don't have any invocations. Let us see what is wrong here. We have the S3 triggers. Let us view logs in CloudWatch. What happened? Yeah, our Lambda function is triggers. So in the events we can see that we got the file name that was uploaded, that we had uploaded. So one thing I would like to show you, suppose you want to read the contents of the file that is uploaded. I have a small code snippet which I will explain. I have already written the code, I will just copy paste it here. By this. Now again I will upload this file. Let me first delete it. Now I am going to upload this file again. Upload. So the file is uploaded. Let us check our CloudWatch logs that the file contents are printed or not. So here we can see the contents of our file are triggered now, are printed here now. So if we see the code, here in the code how we are parsing this file body. To check this, how we can parse, we can see we get the data as a JSON object. So we can parse the JSON object for the name of the bucket. Here we parsed the JSON object and got the name of the bucket, and then we get the bucket object here, which was the file that we uploaded. And then using this s3 proto3 s3 dot get object, we get the file's contents in response body. So in this way we can print the contents of the file that is uploaded to the S3 bucket. So this method can be useful for situations where suppose you want to send notifications to someone if a new object is uploaded to your S3 bucket. In this example I have just printed the file contents to the logs, but you can also take some other action depending upon your requirement. So guys, this was it in this video. If you like this demo, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.